In this video, I will show you how you can fix if the navigation buttons are not working on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just remove any screen protector or a smartphone case which you might have applied on your Samsung phone. Because sometimes if you use a screen protector which is not supported by your smartphone, this can interfere with the working of the touch of the screen. So make sure you remove any screen protector or smartphone case which you might have applied. After that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Display. Under the Display settings, if you scroll down, you will find the option for touch sensitivity. Now just make sure you enable this toggle. And after you enable this toggle, then just go back to the main settings page. And at the bottom of the page, you will find the option for software update. Now just tap on software update, then tap on check for new updates. Now just make sure that your Samsung phone is connected to the internet. And after that, if you find any software update available for your Samsung phone, just update the software of your smartphone. And after you do that, then just perform a force restart on your smartphone. To do that, just grab your Samsung phone, press and hold the volume down button and the power button at the same time. And just keep pressing and holding both of these buttons until the Samsung logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Samsung logo on the screen, just release both of the buttons. Now after the force restart process is completed, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. In most cases, this will fix your issue, but if your issue is still not fixed, then just follow the next method. For that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Display. Under the Display settings, just scroll down and tap on Navigation bar. From here, just switch to Swipe Gestures. Now after that, just close the settings. Then go back to the settings and tap on Display. Now just go back to the navigation bar settings, then select the buttons. Now for an example, if you have switched to the Swipe Gestures and if you could not go to the Recent Apps section to close the app, do not worry. Just select the Swipe Gestures. Now after that, just wait for a couple of seconds and select the buttons. Now after you do that, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just follow the next method. For that, just go back to the main settings page, and from here just scroll down and tap on General Management. On this page, just scroll down and tap on Reset, and over here just look for Reset All Settings. Tap on Reset Settings, then enter your lock screen PIN. Now just select Continue, then tap on Reset. And by doing that, you will reset all the settings of your Samsung phone. Now do not worry, this option will not delete any data of your Samsung phone. It will just reset all the settings of your smartphone to the default, in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. Now after you've done that, now just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then you might have a hardware problem with your smartphone. Just take your smartphone to any service center and they will fix your issue. But for the meantime, I will give you a workaround for this problem. For that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Tap on Interaction and Dexterity, then enable the toggle for Assistant menu. Now after you do that, a small ball will appear on the screen. Now if you tap on the Assistant menu, it will show you the navigation buttons over here. If you want to go back, just tap on the back button, and if you want to go to the home screen, just tap on the home button. You also have the option for Recent Apps button, and you will be able to use these buttons instead of the normal navigation buttons until your issue is fixed. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.